By next year, she will finish her degree at the university she transferred to during the pandemic. Merong mali sa verb tense na ginamit. So, letter A is wrong. Alam niyo, tama sana yung will finish kung walang by, kung ang nakalagay lang next year. Next year, she will finish her degree kasi simple future, meron kang future time indicator, kaya lang, nag-iba na yung meaning kasi by next year. Yung by dito, nag-indicate ng deadline. At dahil nga, meron tayong future deadline, dapat yung future event na to or future action, makumpleto siya before that deadline. At lagi kong pinatatandaan sa inyo, di ba, ang perfect, ibig sabihin prior. So, kung ito ay before a specific future deadline, dapat future perfect ang gagamitin natin. At ang formula ng future perfect ay will plus have plus past participle. So the sentence should read, by next year, she will have finished her degree at the university, blah, blah, blah. So, ang keywords nyo pag future perfect, yung by plus a future time. Halimbawa nga yan, by next year, by next month, or before plus a future time. Halimbawa, before the deadline, before the summer ends.